Still twisting screws like it's 1995? There's a smarter way. Meet Mechtron. Not just a screwdriver, a sci-fi sidearm disguised as a power tool. This thing doesn't twist screws, it commands them. Precision engineered with a body that looks like it fell off a spaceship, every edge, every bevel, unapologetically futuristic. Swap out bits with a click. No rattling, no fumbling, just clean, magnetic efficiency. And yes, it lights up. Because if your screwdriver doesn't glow, is it even trying? Compact? Absolutely. Pocketable? Barely. Because something this powerful deserves to make an entrance. Need torque? It's got torque. Need finesse? It whispers across tight corners, like it's been trained in stealth ops. It's electric, but somehow still feels mechanical, like a tiny mech suit for your hand. And the battery? It lasts longer than that IKEA shelf project you've been avoiding for 2 months. Charging it is as satisfying as using it. Slide it in, power up, feel superior. This is Mechtron, the screwdriver upgrade you didn't know you needed, but now definitely can't unsee. Follow us to join the community of innovators.